Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. Welcome back to Whytgold YouTube channel. And today we're going to use convenience as a key and make another chutney for you guys. This is the dry red chili guntur, the red color chutney, right? As usual, this is a Whytgold desiccated granule based dehydrated coconut powder. Just a cup of it. Couple of 3 to 3 shallots. Pea size of tamarind, a pea size of ginger, 3 garlics, and obviously we call this as Bengal gram or Indian, gram, specifically used for chutney. And since we're using red chili and it's going to be a red chili chutney, this red chili, we're going to also add a little bit of Whytgold chili as well. Whytgold is nothing but which gives you flavor and color texture. And we're going to saute this. This time we're going to saute a little bit of oil. And then we go for a pound or a grind as well. So stay tuned. Until then, let's dive in. Alright, here it goes. We're going to saute this quickly. We're going to add a little bit of sunflower oil. Alright, now we're going to grate this after sauteing in 1 cup of desiccated, Whytgold desiccated powder. You can just see the granules. Alright. And goes the onion, all the sauteed in a little bit of oil, red chili, onion, garlic, ginger and tamarind, and a little bit of rock salt as well. And in goes our Indian Bengal gram as well. Alright, this is after grind. Look at the color texture, is amazing, right? It has a slight nutty flavor from the coconut and the dry desiccated powder. And we're just going to do a tempering and then get back to it. A little bit of chana dal, curry leaves, just a slight red chili. That's about it. That's our tempering. Yeah. Alright, for sure, this is the red chutney made quickly and cost-effective. The key here, what I'm trying to tell you is that convenience is the key moving forward when you're making breakfast. When you want the fresh chutneys to be made or a fresh